Again, this is a 3-pounder pork meat, so we only need 1/3 of it for our bitter melon. To stuff this in the bitter melon. Alright. I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Bitter out, because sometimes some people don't like too much bitter, so we're going to wait for the water to boil before we put this in. Okay, the water's boiling. Okay, our 5 minutes is up. Turn off the heat. The meat into this bitter melon. Okay, we got the meat out after 30 minutes, and the bitter melon has cooled down. We're going to stuff this. Use the back of the spoon and just push it in. Both sides. bitter melon, and the pork is already in there. Let's go ahead and place it in the boiling water. This is about 2 quarts of water. Okay, so we've been